How to properly use and care for the do-all trimming tool. In this Mudtools tutorial, we will be learning the following: the best stage of clay for trimming with the do-all trim tool, centering and securing your vessel to the wheel head, proper technique with the do-all trim tool, and tool care. Please feel free to use the chapter sections located in the description to navigate to and from topics of interest in this tutorial. The best stage of clay for trimming with the do-all trim tool. The stage of clay is an important factor when it comes to trimming with the do-all trim tool. Our recommendation is to allow your vessels to naturally dry to the leather hard stage. Often compared to the firmness of cheese in local studios and even collegiate textbooks, before trimming, your vessels should resemble the firmness of cheddar cheese. This means that the clay body is still soft enough to carve, mark, and attach pieces to, but holds the shape with minimal flexing. Trim at this stage or softer to reduce chattering. Remember, not all clay bodies are the same. Use this as a guideline and make adjustments that best suit your practice and material. Centering and securing your vessel. Properly centering and securing your vessel to the wheelhead is crucial. Begin by using the concentric circles on the wheelhead. Place a piece down as close as possible to the center and start your wheel moving at a slow speed. Notice any irregularities in its rotation and gently tap those spots towards the center. Continue this process until your vessel is perfectly centered. Once centered, using a damp mud sponge, wet the wheelhead surrounding your vessel. Finally, place your non-dominant hand on the bottom of the vessel to hold it in place. Next, use your dominant hand to firmly press down the clay log onto the wheelhead directly next to your vessel. Proper technique for the do-all trimming tool. Using the do-all trimming tool comes down to three important factors. 1. The angle. 2. The applied pressure. And 3. The wheel speed. Starting with the angle, we find that trimming from a 25 to 45 degree angle is best. This allows the material to be gently introduced to the sharp and durable edge of our trimming tool while rotating around the wheel. Not only does opening the tool at a larger angle create more friction for the passing material, but it also moves the hand farther out, creating additional instability in the user's control over the tool and the trimming process. Next is the pressure being applied to the tool. The do-all trimming tool is sharp and doesn't need large amounts of pressure to be effective. Think about it this way. When driving a car, we don't slam on the brakes when approaching stopped traffic. We gently apply pressure to the brakes until we are safely and calmly at a complete stop. The same applies here. We want to gently apply pressure to our vessel with a proper angle from our do-all trimming tool. Do so until you see a nice bite of clay being removed from your vessel and maintain this pressure for the rest of the process. With ideal trimming conditions, clay will trim away from your vessel in the shape of spaghetti noodles. If you're not seeing this smooth and seamless trimming, refer back to the consistency of your clay and the angle of the tool. As the name suggests, the do-all trimming tool is designed for all trimming jobs, angles, etc. You name it and it gets the job done. One side of the tool is equipped with a curl, which includes a broad surface for smoothing and a tight shape for detailed trimming. The opposite end is equipped with a spade shape that provides an excellent precise cutting edge, especially for working details around the foot of T-bowls, bowls, and plates. Be sure to experiment with both sides during the trimming process. Finally, the wheel speed. Keep your wheel at a moderate speed. We are not in a rush, so not too slow and not too fast. Faster wheel speeds when trimming are likely to introduce vibrations causing chattering, while really slow wheel speeds don't properly feed the tool for adequate trimming. Tool care. One of the most important steps in trimming is tool care. Now that we have finished trimming, we need to take the steps to ensure our do-all trimming tool is prepared for the next time we use it. This starts with a simple cleaning with water. We like to grab a damp mud sponge and remove all clay residue from the process. Once this is completed, either dry with a towel or let it air dry. Next, grab your bottle of feed and wax. This wax is an excellent conditioner for both metal and wooden tools. Apply a pea-sized portion to a work cloth and begin working a light coating of the conditioner over the surface of the tool. Be sure to give extra attention to the edge of the do-all trimming tool. Once completely covered, this wax provides a protective barrier between your tool and the elements, helping resist rust. Next time you're in the studio, remember these 4 actionable items. 1. Trim your vessels at the cheddar cheese stage of leather hard. 2. Properly center and secure your vessel. 3. Watch your pressure, angle, and speed with the do-all trimming tool. 4. Always end with tool care. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on tools, techniques, and more. And as always, thanks for watching.